Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel and earning money from it? Well, you're not alone. YouTube has grown into an enormous platform, teeming with content creators earning impressive incomes. From beauty gurus to tech reviewers, gaming streamers to DIY specialists, there's a community for everyone. And the best part, the potential to monetize that community. But how do you go about creating a YouTube channel, and how does the monetization process work? Let's dive in and find out. Creating a YouTube channel is the first step in your journey to becoming a successful content creator. It's like setting up your own personal TV station where you're the star of every show. Let's dive into how you can create your very own YouTube channel. First things first, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. It's a simple process. Simply head over to the Google homepage and click on Create Account. Fill in your details, follow the prompts, and in a matter of minutes, you'll have your Google account ready to go. Once you have your Google account, it's time to navigate to YouTube. In the top right corner, you'll see a Sign In button. Click on that and enter your newly created Google account credentials. Now that you're signed in, it's time to create your channel. Look for your user icon in the top right corner, click on it, and then select Create a Channel. YouTube will then ask you to create a personal channel or a channel with a business or other name. Choose the option that best suits your goals. Next, you'll be prompted to add some details about your channel. This includes your channel name, a description, and a profile picture. Remember, your channel name should be catchy and easy to remember. Your description should clearly communicate what your channel is about, and your profile picture should be attractive and relevant to your channel's theme. You've got your channel set up, but it's not quite ready for the spotlight. It's time to customize it. Go to the Customize Channel option, and here, you can add channel art, organize your video into playlists, and more. This is your chance to make your channel visually appealing and organized for your viewers. And there you have it. That's your step-by-step guide to creating a YouTube channel. It's a simple process, but it's the foundation of your journey as a content creator. Congratulations! You now have your very own YouTube channel, but what's next? Having a channel is great, but without content, it's like a car without fuel. Now let's dive into the heart of your YouTube journey, creating content. Content is the lifeblood of your channel. It's the reason people will click on your videos, subscribe, and keep coming back for more. But not just any content will do. You need to produce high-quality, engaging material that resonates with your audience. Think of your content as a conversation between you and your viewers. It's not just about what you want to say, but also about what they want to hear. Now you might be wondering, how do I know what my audience wants? The answer lies in finding your niche. Your niche is a specific topic or area that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It could be anything from cooking to tech reviews, from travel vlogs to educational tutorials. Once you've identified your niche, you can create content that is tailored to the interests of your audience within that niche. Understanding your audience is key. It involves knowing what they like, what they dislike, what they're looking for, and what they're not. It's about getting into their heads and hearts, understanding their needs and desires, and then creating content that meets those needs. And then there's consistency. Consistency in uploading videos is just as important as the quality of the content itself. It's not enough to upload a fantastic video once in a blue moon. You've got to keep feeding your audience with fresh, engaging content on a regular basis. This not only keeps your current subscribers engaged, but also attracts new subscribers to your channel. So to recap, creating content for your YouTube channel involves 3 key elements: finding your niche, understanding your audience, and being consistent with your uploads. And remember, the content you create should always be high quality and engaging. Remember, content is king, but even a king needs his court. That's where monetization comes in. Stay tuned to learn how you can start earning money from your YouTube channel. Monetizing your channel is how you'll start earning money from your YouTube videos. When we talk about monetizing your YouTube channel, we're really talking about 4 main avenues: the YouTube Partner Program, ad revenue, channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and Super Chat. Let's walk through each one. First up is the YouTube Partner Program. This is the gateway to monetization on YouTube. To be eligible, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, and live in a country where the program is available. Once you're in, you can start earning from ads on your videos. Speaking of ads, ad revenue is the second way to monetize your channel. You get a share of the money from ads that play on your videos. There are different types of ads like display ads, overlay ads, skippable and non-skippable video ads. Each type of ad has a different pay rate, but the key is to create engaging content that keeps viewers watching. Next, we have channel memberships. This is a way for your audience to support you directly. They pay a monthly fee for perks like custom badges, new emojis, and exclusive live chats. It's a great way to build a community around your channel and earn a steady income. The merchandise shelf is another option. If you have physical goods to sell, you can showcase them right under your video. It's a fantastic way to promote your brand and make some extra money. Finally, there's Super Chat. This is a feature that lets your viewers pay to have their messages highlighted during your live streams. It's a fun way to interact with your audience and get rewarded for it. But remember, monetization isn't just about making money. It's about building a sustainable channel that provides value to your audience. And to do that, you need to understand the YouTube algorithm. Monetization is a game changer, but to really make the most of it, you need to understand how the YouTube algorithm works. The YouTube algorithm can seem like a mystery, but once you understand it, you can use it to your advantage. Now let's unpack this digital enigma. At its core, the YouTube algorithm is a complex system that uses various factors to recommend videos to users. It's like a matchmaker constantly trying to pair viewers with content they'll love and keep coming back for. To understand how it works, picture it as a two-step process. First, it ranks videos based on their relevance to the user. This is determined by factors like the user's search history, the type of content they usually watch, and how others have interacted with similar videos. Then, it recommends these ranked videos to the user. Now, how can you optimize your videos for this algorithm? There are a few key strategies to keep in mind. Firstly, focus on viewer engagement. The algorithm loves videos that keep viewers watching. So create content that's captivating from start to finish. Use compelling thumbnails and titles to draw viewers in, and then keep them hooked with high-quality, engaging content. Secondly, consistency is key. Regularly uploading videos signals to the algorithm that your channel is active and reliable. This can help boost your visibility on the platform. Thirdly, encourage interaction. The more likes, comments, and shares your video gets, the more the algorithm will favor it. So don't be shy about asking your viewers to interact with your content. Lastly, use keywords strategically. Include relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. This can help the algorithm understand what your video is about and match it to viewers who are interested in that topic. By understanding the YouTube algorithm, you can increase your chances of success. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of creativity. So stay patient, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. Because at the end of the day, that's what YouTube is all about. Starting a YouTube channel and earning money from it can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's entirely possible. Let's take a moment to revisit the crucial points we've discussed today. Firstly, creating a YouTube channel is your starting point. Choose an appealing name, create an engaging banner, and don't forget to write a compelling description of your channel. This is your first impression, so make it count. Next, content creation. This is the heart of your channel. Whether it's a vlog, tutorial, or review, ensure your content is unique, engaging, and valuable to your viewers. Remember, quality trumps quantity every time. Then comes the monetization of your channel. Once you meet the requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to make money through ad revenue, channel memberships, and YouTube Premium revenue. It's not just about making videos, it's about making a living from your passion. Lastly, understanding the YouTube algorithm is crucial. This algorithm decides which videos get recommended to viewers, so learn to work with it, not against it. Use SEO techniques, encourage engagement, and regularly analyze your channel's performance. So are you ready to start your YouTube journey? Remember, the key to success is consistency, quality content, and understanding your audience. Good luck!